5, 6, 7, 8.
Can't keep wearing my heart on my sleeve. Can't keep saying just what I feel. Why do words on my tongue run free, keep tripping me? Can't keep wearing my heart on my sleeve. I can't keep wearing the truth in my eyes. Oh, it's not that I want them to lie. I've been told it's the best of advice in this life. Can't keep wearing the truth in my eyes. I'm suddenly the words drop out. I make it as can be. Try to stop them, but I don't know how. It's written all over my face, and everyone can see. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now. Love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now.
Restart.
I keep hearing I'm an open book, where the ending is known with one look. A heart in love doesn't ever do what it should. I keep hearing I'm an open book. Suddenly the words drop out. I make it as can be. Try to stop them, but I don't know how. It's written all over my face, and everyone can see. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now. Love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now. Love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now, love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now, love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now, I love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now. Love you now, I love you now. I guess you finally know I love you now.
This dance is Love You Now, choreographed by Maggie Gallagher. It's a 32 count, 4 wall line dance. Section 1, start with the right foot. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step. Section 2, rock forward, recover, shuffle a half right, chase turn right, step, pivot a half right step, point right to side, left to side. Section 3, Dorothy steps, step, lock, step, lock, step, make a quarter pivot turn left, cross shuffle. Last section, side rock recover, sailor step, cross side heel step, cross side heel step. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. In this dance there is one restart. On wall 4 you dance 16 and count. So let me show you wall 4 facing 3 to start. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. This is the end of 16 and counts on wall 4. And you restart the dance facing 3 o'clock. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coast this step. And that's the whole dance.